अरे किसका अरे बचका है
Safir, Safir.
अरे बचका है नहीं
Eh?
नहीं तुम्हारा है
Eh?
तुम्हारा अरे चलो
Eh?
तुम्हारा बचका
Eh?
مني على كيسات أجوانا تا
Eh?
أبكار نهينكا
Eh?
ما بإنساننا ما بني تكونوا
Guys, my uncle he said he can speak.
like this.
My uncle he said guys he can speak Hindi. So since I am in India, I only know few words of Indian language, but you know the way he speak is really incredible. But it's not guys. I mean pure Indian language. So most of you who know how to speak Hindi can comment below if what he's speaking is Hindi or not. Guys, my uncle Abdisalad and I today, we are just roaming around in Tolujuk market, which is a quite busy market, and we are doing a video called Let's Walk Together. Friend, how are you?
And
You okay?
कहाँ का है ये वीडियो
Yeah, YouTube.
यूट्यूब किधर
Can I show you? My YouTube, can I show you? Fatah, Abuka.
What is the name?
Abdi Fatah, brother.
Muslim.
Yes, mashallah. Thank you. So guys, we are doing a video called Let's Walk Together. So we are just roaming around Tolijoki Market, which is quite busy. And this road is called Seven Tombs Road. My uncle Abdisalad is with me. As you can see behind me, he's walking, behind me. So that guy is very nice man. In the car, guys, he asked me about my YouTube channel. So I said, what are you doing? Are you vlogging? I said, yes, I'm vlogging, brother. So he asked me my YouTube channel, and he handed over his phone to me. So I just typed my YouTube channel for him. Then he said, I'll subscribe. He's with his family. He was a nice guy. So let's show you how, this road is busy. How this road looks like. Both sides there are restaurants. Shops. Fruits and vegetables. So we'll show you guys, even though it's getting dark this time, but we'll show you. We're gonna walk together. So if it's your first time you came across to my channel, kindly subscribe, guys, and smash that like button, subscribe, and share the video to your friends on social media platforms. So guys, this road is famous road. It's called Seven Tombs Road. So both sides they sell fruits and vegetables, and also there's a petrol station right in front of me, guys. On the left side, as you can see, there's a petrol station there. So they sell fruits and vegetables. Both sides of the road. Even though there are shops, restaurants, and guys, apartments. Dad, mask for no mask. Open your, remove your mask.
No problem.
Eh?
Yeah, nice.
Mask is for mask.
لما أنا كتور واسكا عادي واي.
Yeah.
Okay. أيه okay.
Okay, متى؟
عادي عادي.
في عندها. ما أنت ما أنت وين أنا؟
كتير هاولا شرنا ما أنت وين؟
أي.
أنت كنت حجر هذا.
أي.
ما كان الحمد لله.
تتكلم وين أنا ما؟ Okay. Guys, that guy is selling onions and also watermelon. Guys, my uncle can speak Hindi, so let's show you, how he speak. Hindi. So now he's speaking Hindi. Dad Hindi قال Hindi. That's a function hall. They organize when they want. You win?
Hindi.
Brother, how are you?
Okay.
You okay? YouTube, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah. It's nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dadi, speak Hindi, Hindi.
अरे कसका अरे बचका है
Safiri, Safiri.
अरे बचका है नहीं
Eh?
नहीं तुम्हारा है
Eh?
तुम्हारा अरे चलो
Eh?
तुम्हारा बचका
Eh?
मैंने अलग के साथ अचवाना था
Eh?
अब का नहीं का
Eh?
मां बे इंसान ना मां बनी सकूंगा
Guys, my uncle he said he can speak.
like this.
My uncle he said guys he can speak Hindi. So since I am in India, I only know few words of Indian language, but you know the way he speak is really incredible. But it's not guys. I mean pure Indian language. So most of you who know how to speak Hindi can comment below if what he's speaking is Hindi or not. Thank you. هنا عن هنا عن جيش كمان هنا جيش يا صاحبي عن جيش خضار لك Brother, what is this? What are you making? What is this? What is this? Huh? This is a flower? Jasmine flower.
Jasmine flowers.
Jasmine flower. The smell is nice, my friend. Nice. It's very good. So you just make it like this, right? You want to sell or
Marriage.
for you are preparing for wedding?
Marriage.
Yeah, marriage, yeah?
Marriage.
Wedding ceremony.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name, brother?
Dulan.
Gunan, huh? Explain this Hindi. Speak Hindi language.
Engagement.
Engagement, right?
Engagement.
Okay. So this is how you made. Okay. Thank you, my friend. It's nice.
Brother.
Yeah, brother. Brother, how are you?
What do you want?
No, I was just I came here to see what they are doing here only.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very
so,
nice.
So he explained it to me for wedding engagement. He said engagement only. So this is how they make, right?
Engagement.
Okay. Engagement. When? Tomorrow? So this is Jasmine, right? Jasmine.
क्या बोलते हैं सलीम भाई इसको?
No problem.
क्या
Speak-
बोलते हैं?
Brother, you can speak English, Hindi. Explain.
नहीं I am asking for your matter.
You asking for me?
Yeah.
What are you asking for me?
क्या बोलते हैं इसको? डोला.
Eh? Dollar.
Marriage डोला.
Marriage dollar.
Marriage डोला.
Okay. It's nice. Thank you, brother. Brother, my friend is thank you.
Right.
Okay? Your face down wide. Thank you. تعال كان. انسى عادي. Guys, we are still on 7 Thomas Road, which is really famous and quite busy. As you see, cars passing by and scooters also on the road. So those guys, they were preparing a wedding. I mean, ceremony. You know, they need to decorate, and what they were doing is they were decorating something with jasmine flower, which is really nice. It smells, I mean, amazing, guys. Incredible. Brother, how are you? So we are still walking on the road. As you see, my uncle Abdi is right behind me. this guy, guys, is selling sugarcane juice. Guys, you see, I mean, both sides of the road. As I keep saying that they are selling, fruits, vegetables, and a lot of shopping centers. You know, pharmaceutical, companies, and also restaurants, hotels. You know, you name it, guys. A lot of shopping stalls and food centers are here. Not only, guys, they sell fruits and vegetables, so many things. So now we are approaching to fruits and vegetables part of this road, as I said. So I need to go and get apple. That's the restaurant. My friend, how are you? They are selling watermelon and a mango, guys. Watermelon and mango. We're gonna continue our vlog, today's vlog, guys. Let's see what this guy has. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with this guy. So I just checked in his shop, but he said he really don't want camera. I don't know what's wrong with some people are crazy, you know. They are really crazy. Some people are very crazy, guys. I don't know. How are you? I don't know what's wrong with him really, because I just want to buy a shirt and t-shirts, but he said he doesn't want a camera. I don't know what's wrong with that guy really. Brother, how are you? You okay?
Oh, okay.
Nice. What are you selling here? What is this? Dates?
Dry fruit.
Huh?
Dry fruit.
Dry fruits. Thank you. So that guy, he waved his hand to me. So some people, when they see the camera, guys, they wave their hand for you just to, see the camera, and they need to know what you're doing, you know, whether you're vlogging or you're taking, whatever it is, they need to know exactly, you know, what you are doing. They need to know exactly what you are doing. That's how it is, and there's no problem, guys, asking such questions for me, because it is really, it is a normal, you know, when they see someone with camera, they will ask you questions, they will call you, so they need to know what you're doing exactly, and it's common everywhere you go. So I don't see it problem, but the guy often he said I don't want a camera. That's also no problem, because I have no problem with him say that, because he has right, guys, to say that no, don't record my shop. He can say there's no problem, and I don't have really, completely I don't have a problem for that, because it's his shop, and he has right to say that. So anyway, guys, let's continue our vlog. This children is shop. Brother, how are you? Hello, my friend. How are you? You okay? Can I come in? Thank you. You sell here shirts or t-shirts? Is it? Huh? Brother, can I see what do you have here? Video, right? Guys, here he sell, as you can see, flip-flops, some slippers, shirts. Brother, how are you? You okay?
Okay, fine.
Nice. So he sell here shirts, guys, and t-shirts. You okay? Nice. Brother, this road is 7 Tombis, right?
Yeah.
7 Tombis road.
Nearby Al-Sabah Hotel.
Al Sabah?
Hotel.
So Al Sabah Hotel is
Yeah.
in front, right?
Yeah.
So I have to. Can I walk a little bit? 7 Tombis. So if I go this way, it's 7 Tombis. And there, back side is Tulijuk. Baramont, yes. And Tulijuk. That's where I'm from.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Sohel.
Sohil.
Myself,
Huh?
Sohib.
Sohib.
Sohib Akhtar.
Sohib Akhtar. You look like Akhtar. Yeah. You
Same
can
to same.
make a movie, brother. A movie actor.
Movie Akhtar.
Yeah.
Movie actor दिख रहे हैं देखो.
Which name?
My channel, YouTube.
YouTube.
Fatah Abukar, Fatah Abukar.
पता अबू का.
My YouTube channel. You can check, subscribe, no problem.
Ada.
Thank you. I have just dreamed. Thank you. Thank you.
आज रात में.
I will upload tonight this video. Okay?
Oh, like, comment,
It's nice,
share.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
bro.
Let's take one photo with the actor.
Oh my
Hold the camera like this. Come here.
क्या करते
No, like this. Put the camera here. No problem.
फोटो लियो बोले तुम दोनों की एक साथ.
Nice photo. Where can we stand here? Yes, okay. Oh, we come here. They are very guys. They are very friendly. So they called me while I was walking the street. So they said, "Let's go." So guys, come to our shop and see what we have. So it's really nice, guys. Nice. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If it's your first time you came across to my channel, kindly subscribe, share the video, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section. Till the next time, bye bye.